What's up, y'all? It's your girl G McGowan. Welcome back to my channel for the people who have seen my videos before, and welcome to the people who haven't seen my videos before. I'm glad all of y'all are here joining me. As y'all can see from the title, today's video is a twist out tutorial. I asked you guys on my Instagram story if y'all want to see a banded ponytail tutorial or a twist out tutorial, and the majority of y'all voted for the twist out tutorial. So here we are. So right now my hair is just in, when I tell y'all a mess of a bun, I actually had an old braid out and I just threw it up in a bun until I was able to do this video. And yeah, so without further ado, let's just go ahead and get into this twist out. What I use as shampoo is this. This is, y'all don't even know what it is. Shea Moisture 100% virgin coconut oil daily hydration shampoo. Okay, I love this. I have used so many different Shea Moisture shampoos, and this is my favorite one out of all of them. So yeah, I'm gonna use that. And I also have my favorite conditioner. Like, I've been using this one for forever. When I tell y'all, y'all have to get the, this is, okay, all right. And I also have my favorite conditioner. This is the Aussie Moist Conditioner. When I tell y'all that I have been using this for years and I haven't even considered using another conditioner because this has so much slip. Oh my gosh. So I really love this one. If you get this, make sure it is the moist one. They have other conditioners that they just ain't it. All right. So what I'm doing here is sectioning my hair off before I wash it, just because washing it in sections makes it so much easier. Like, when I say so much easier, I mean so much easier. So the sections I make will be kind of an idea of the sections I will have for the twist I do later on, and this will basically make sense later in the video. Just keep watching. To moisturize, I am going to use a mixture of extra virgin olive oil and organic coconut oil, and then I'm going to seal it with some raw shea butter. Because shea butter is extremely solid, I first just go ahead and use a popsicle stick to smooth it out. You can use a spoon. I don't really know why I use a popsicle stick, but I just smooth it out to make it easier to apply to the hair. This right here is actually a whipped butter that I made. I usually use this on my hair and my body, but I actually plan on making and selling this product to you guys. So we'll get into that in a few weeks or whenever I decide to drop it. In the meantime, I'm just going to go ahead and use the oils and the raw shea butter in this tutorial so you guys can see the alternative to the product that I use, until I drop it at least. Shea butter tends to melt just about instantly after you put it on your hands. So when I apply this to my hair, I usually focus on the ends and then work my way up. Okay, so after I go ahead and apply the oils and the shea butter, I am just going to go ahead and twist that section up and move on to the next one. No, I did not use any other products. I would like to try a leave-in conditioner, but I have not found one that I like yet. So if you have any suggestions of leave-in conditioners, go ahead and drop that in the comment section for me, or hit me up on Instagram or whatever. Let me know, what leave-in conditioner do you use? Because I'm very open to trying something new. So just as a personal preference, when I do the twist in the front, I make sure that the very front piece is twisted away from my forehead, just because if it's done the opposite way, I feel like it sticks out more, and I really don't want it to do that. I want my hair to be more sleek, laid down in the front. So yeah. Also, I hate when I do a twist out or a braid out and there's a part straight down my head. I hate it so much. So for this middle piece, instead of making it a twist, I'm actually going to make it a braid, because if I make it a twist and I split it into 2 sections, it's just going to be equivalent to having that part down the middle of my head. But if I make it a braid, then it puts like a break or a pause between that part. So to me, it just looks so much better and smoother when there isn't just a long part down the middle. In case y'all couldn't tell, I had so much oil on my hands that was just left over. So I'm just going to go ahead and put that on my hair. And then with some of the extra oil that I have left over, I'm going to go ahead and oil my scalp. I made this video pretty late at night. So when I tell y'all I was about to fall asleep putting this oil on my hair, Lord Jesus. Okay, so we are almost to the final stage, finally. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put some oil on my hands while I take those twists down and that one braid. And yes, I was jamming, singing my heart out during this whole video. But you know, we gotta stay positive, y'all. Now that all the twists are taken down, I'm just going to go ahead and separate the curls just to make it more poofy. Y'all know I love big hair. Honestly, when I do like my big fro, I actually take the twists down before they're completely dry. I know that's like taboo in the natural hair community, but taking the twist down before they're completely dry does cause frizz, and I love frizz personally. I know most people don't, but whatever. I like when my hair shrinks up more and is poofy and all of that. But of course, for this video, I did go ahead and let it completely dry. So yeah, that's why it is more defined. And yeah, we're just separating those curls right now. So this is the final step. We're gonna go ahead and take either a wide tooth comb or a pick, whichever one you like, and close up those parts, those separations, so that people will not see that you had, you know, sections of twists and everything in your hair. Okay, y'all, thank you for tuning in to my twist out tutorial. This is the final look. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I know it was extremely simple. That's really how I like to keep my hairstyles. But yeah, go ahead and like, subscribe, comment. Remember to let me know what leave-in conditioner do you use. All right, y'all, I'll catch y'all in the next video. Stay blessed.